What's good, family? Today we're going to show you guys how to style the Jordan 11 Gratitudes, or the DMPs, whatever you want to call them. These actually release tomorrow, and I wanted to throw some fits together just to show you guys what they would look like, or at least how I would style them. I dropped a full review for these. If you guys want to check that out, I will put it as an end card at the end of the video, and I will link it in the description as well. Canvas for this video is the Jordan 11 DMPs. They're a little dirty from the on feet, but it's okay, you feel me? Let's see what fits we could throw together with these. I actually want to thank the sponsor of this video, BLACKTAILOR. They sent me some fits to put together with these Jordan 11 Gratitudes. There's a lot of sick cargos on their website. I actually have a promo code if you guys decide to pick up any of these pieces to save yourself some money at checkout, and it does help the channel out. Let me show y'all some of these fits. First, we got the N1 cargos in black. These cargos are hard. They actually are a little bit on the wider side. You can make them tighter with the toggles at the bottom. Small cargo pocket on top, bigger cargo pocket on the sides. I think these would look fire because when they drape, they would low-key cover this front part of the sneaker, making them look more so like a concord. I want to see how that looks. Most, if not all, of their cargos have this rubber patch on the front, cord on top, so you can make them tighter. This is the first piece we're gonna pair with the 11s. You just can't go wrong. Top for this fit is the layered zip-up jacket in the green. I saw these on their website and I knew immediately this was a cop. This sage green color that they offer is probably one of my favorites. I love the cut on this jacket, cropped at the bottom. They have longer sleeves, boxy type fit that's in right now. Let me throw this on real quick because this jacket is fire. I could have went with an XL to get like a big ass fit, but it's not bad. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of this jacket. It has almost like a tech wear vibe to it. First fit, we got the olive jacket, black N1 cargos, and the DMPs. These actually go perfectly with olive green. I don't know what it is about it. I feel like camo, sage-ish, olive green go hand in hand with this sneaker. What would y'all rate this first fit? I think it's solid. It's a little bit on the baggier side, which is me stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit. I typically go for slim fit, maximum straight fit. These pieces will be linked in the description, but let's get on to the second fit. We got these N36 cargos in green. These are actually another new style for me. These are baggier. I'm just trying to try something new. I feel like change isn't always a bad thing. We got these big cargo pockets on the front. These are actually baggy, bruh, but I love the fact they have this cord at the bottom where you could tighten it. It almost gives me like a military pant type of vibe. Let me know in the comments if you guys prefer this style or the draw cord at the bottom. Long draw cord on the front. This color palette is literally perfect, especially with a little bit of cream at the bottom. I feel like it just works. N36 cargos in green, obviously DMP 11s. For this fit, we picked up the bomber jacket in the cream. They have some solid jackets on their website, an essential for the winter time, especially in this cream colorway. Look at this, bro. This is a banger. This is almost giving me Yeezy vibes when he was wearing hella bomber jackets back in the day. Got a pocket in the front, quilted lining, so this one's gonna keep you real toasty in the winter. Pocket on the sleeve. Definitely gonna need the other colorway for this. I love this jacket. Banger. Jacket go crazy. DMPs, this is the Christmas fit right here. Stop playing. The Christmas Eve pull-up fit with the bomber jacket, cream colors, super subtle. DMPs, holiday sneaker. We're not even gonna play ourselves. Little bit of green, not doing too much earth tones for the winter. Tell me this fit isn't clean. Y'all gonna lie to me and tell me this fit ain't clean? Shout out to BLACKTAILOR, bro. They're definitely killing it in these streets. I love the cuff on this too. Almost gives like that luxurious kind of vibe. Definitely better than anything you could pick up at this price point, especially if you use my disky. I won't lie to y'all, I actually got some extra pants, so I'm gonna keep this jacket on for the purpose of right now. X6 cargos, olive green, so it's pretty similar to the last fit. These have a more brownish tint to them, and this is actually my favorite pair of pants that they offer. I wore these in black for the on-feet review of the DMPs. Off rip, I had to get these. It's a mandatory cop. I wear those black ones too much almost. It says olive green, but it's really almost like a brown type of color. These have a zipper at the bottom if you want to drape the pants over the sneaker. These are actually a slim fit to like a skinnier fit, definitely tighter than the other pants I had in this video. I honestly can't recommend these enough. Cord on the front so you could just tighten it real easily. Black Tailor branding on the rubber, double back pockets, carabiner if you need that, bruh. There's just nothing wrong with these cargos. I wear the black ones at least bare minimum once a week. It's in my rotation and it's been that way for almost a year since I've had these. If you're gonna pick up anything from their website, this is it right here. I would honestly go for the black, but I already have those, so I decided to pick up the olive colorway. You could pair it with the cream jacket. Come on, bro, don't play yourself. Obviously the DMPs, they just look perfect with anything you throw at it. Little bit of gold on the sneakers, brown on the pants. It just looks beautiful, bro. Masterpiece, if I should say so myself. Let me know what y'all rate this fit 1 out of 10. This might be my favorite fit so far. I just love the tones on this one. The fit is everything. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content. We got constant heat dropping, and this is only the beginning. Next year, we're literally gonna ramp this up 3 times. Also, check out Black Tailor. They will be linked at the top of the description with my promo code if you guys are interested in any of these pieces. We actually got 2 more pieces to go over, then we'll get straight up out the building. For this next fit, we got the X1 cargos in gray. This is actually my second favorite model that they offer. Pockets going all throughout it, even at the bottom. These are hard, bro. I love how these look on top of sneakers as well. This is the pair of cargos everybody has been asking me about. These actually bring a metal belt. Fit on these is spectacular. They're not too baggy, not too loose. Buttons at the bottom if you want to make them bigger. Double back pockets, and I think they'll look perfect with the gratitudes. Let me cook, bro. Let me cook. Watch this. For the last top, we got the layered zip up in black. Black and gray fit, you can't go wrong. I'm trying to tell y'all, these are essential pieces. Same jacket we saw at the beginning, but in black. Crop fit, perfect layering piece as well. If you have like a longer shirt under, then you got the crop jacket. It's just sexy, bro. The gray with the black, gratitude 11s at the bottom. It's a clean fit if you ask me. You just can't go wrong with black or gray. This being a white and black sneaker, little hits of gold, but you good, bro. You good. Nobody's judging you. Let me throw this jacket on real quick while y'all rate my fit. This might have just became my favorite fit. I just love the way that the gray pops with the black. Gratitudes just almost ties everything together for this fit. This was the last one that I had for y'all today. If you guys want more how to style videos, make sure y'all leave a like on this video, as well as check out Black Tailor. This video would not be possible without them. I appreciate you guys out there for sponsoring me. Definitely means a lot. If you guys want to check out any of these pieces, I have a promo code up on the screen where y'all can save some money at checkout. I'm trying to tell y'all, if I wasn't sponsored by Black Tailor, I would still be wearing it. These are pieces that I wear throughout the week, all the time. Their cargos are beautiful, bro. I have most of them at this point, and all of them are in my rotation. We styled the DMPs. Let me know what y'all are gonna be wearing with these in the comments. Are you excited to pick these up tomorrow? I wish you guys the best of luck when it comes to picking these up. Hopefully it should be easy for anybody that wants them. If you don't actually cop for retail, bro, you might be able to get them for less than retail on the secondary markets. But check out this review. I threw them on feet. I showed you guys all the little details, compared them to the Concords and everything. So make sure y'all check that out right here. There's also another video that YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Make sure y'all do that. You feel me? Show some love. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, which should be within a couple days. So make sure y'all subscribe. Peace.